It was my senior year in high school. I was graduating the top 5 of my class, but the thoughts and fears of going on to college became overwhelming. As I watched my older sisters actually take on the demand of college coursework, I felt like I wouldn't be able to do that. I talked to my mom about this concern, and she wanted to help me fix the problem, and so we went and I was diagnosed with attention deficit disorder. I began to think that the only way at 20 years of age to get out of bed was to take a drug, and that I could get life done once I had my drug. After 2 years of doing this, I began to question many things. I actually asked my chiropractor what my options were available to me. She explained to me that health actually comes from the inside out, not the outside in, such as a drug. And that by adjusting your spine, it will actually clear your nervous system of any functional disturbances. And when you clear that nervous system of any functional disturbances, what happens is you actually heal from the inside out and your potential is released. What I gained back was my life and confidence. My life and confidence that I could achieve what I wanted to achieve and be successful at doing that without drugs. So today it's my sole purpose to actually share with you the truth about where health comes from, and that it comes from the inside out, and that you can be whole and healthy and you can live to your fullest potential all of the days of your life, because the same potential that was within me is the same potential that's within every person.
So the situation we have currently in healthcare looks like this. 80% of working Americans have a chronic illness. We spend $12 billion per day on prescription medications. We consume 70% of the prescription medications of the entire world, and yet the United States is only 5% of the world's population. And with those statistics, we are rated the 79th country out of 81 by the World Health Organization as having the 79th worst health out of 81. And so what we're coming to find is that this healthcare model of another miracle drug to solve all the problems has some deficiencies. It's not fulfilling or answering all the problems that Americans are suffering with. And so where we fit in at Mountain State Wellness is we've created a 3-step program that actually allows us to actually take and restore back what's called structural and functional balance to the spine. We have 3 very specific methods: upper cervical alignment, clinical nutrition, and nutritional purification, that actually help to increase people's vitality. And what that certainly does is reverse the effects of chronic symptoms, chronic conditions, and chronic illness that they may be suffering with for many, many years.